The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for Central Lafayette Parish in South Central Louisiana, East Central Acadia Parish in Southwestern Louisiana, Southwestern St. Landry Parish in Central Louisiana until 4 p.m. At 3:17 p.m., emergency management confirmed a pyrocumulonimbus bus from the Arsenault wildfire is capable of producing a fire-induced tornado and outflow winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. Was located near Meyer, or near rain, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, emergency management confirmed tornado. Impact, extreme fire behavior with strong outflow winds capable of downing trees and starting new fires. This is an extremely dangerous situation for firefighters. Locations impacted include Dusson, Carencro, Cancton, and Scott around 3:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.